getting me in trouble by doing something.
Sorry about that, class. Anyways, we are going to start the day by solving some math problems.
Mr. David, can I use the bathroom?
Sure, Rookie, but be back here in 5 minutes. Class is about to start.
Thanks. Wait. I'll know what I'll do. I'm going to teach everyone except for Pop a lesson by flooding the school. Ha 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 ha. I bet this is how it's done, the dumb way. Using GoAnimate logic. Now to clog the toilets. Now to turn on all the sinks. Now I just hope we don't get in trouble.
Hey, why is the deep water being flooded in school? This is bad. Hey, Rocky, why did you come to my office for? Did you just create the deep flood?
I might have.
Oh, that's it, Rookie. I will evacuate the school from the flood and then I will call your parents. You're suspended for 2 months. Attention all students and teachers, all of you got to evacuate the school. Why? Because Rookie flooded the school. Hello, is this Rookie's mom? Your son flooded the school and made the school evacuate from the deep flood.
Oh my freaking gosh. Thanks for contacting us. That spoiled brat is so grounded for ultra immunities.
Oh my goodness, would you look at that?
Yes. I see it too.
What is it, Mum?
Oh Rookie, it looked like 2 ambulances parked in front of the school and most likely, you nearly made the students drown in the deep flood.
You are in so deep mega trouble ever.
Rookie, I cannot believe what you just did in school today. You are grounded for 3,767 years.
Go to your room right now or else we will send you to Finland.
Wah 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 wah.